Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, increase-decrease problem. So, percentage problem. Let's take a look. If the length and the width of a rectangular garden plot were each increased by 30%, what would be the percent increase in the area of the plot? Remember, we're trying to know what is the percent increase. To know the percent increase, you have to understand that you have a starting point and you have a final point. Those two are the ones that you are trying to compare. Okay? And these two will be original area and you have also your final area. And when we're comparing them, the original area will be the one that you're being compared to the new one. So that means it's going to be the new area minus the original area. Now, the question next is how do we represent? The original area can easily be represented by
Length times width.
length times width. But how about the new area? Ganun din naman, length times width pa rin. Pero, length ng new rectangle and width ng new rectangle. How do we get new length and new width? Sinabi niya na, they're both increased by
30%.
30%. Sabi natin, pag nag-increase tayo, the starting point will always be your
100%.
100%. Therefore, if the new length is 30% more than the original length, then it is now how many percent of the original length?
130%.
130%. How about your width?
130%.
130%, right? Let's multiply 130% with 130%. Ano tayo mag-multiply ng ganyan? Tandaan natin, ang gusto natin at the end is still to have a percent. Usually, ginagawa ng mga students is that they convert to decimal, then they multiply, and then afterwards, they convert back to percent. For me, pwede rin. Okay? Kasi ano ba ibig sabihin ng percent? For every 100. So, gusto natin maiwan yung isang percent para at the end may percent sign na. So, therefore, what we can do here is we can remove one of the percent sign and notice that we have two zeros combined together. So, pwede natin matanggal na siya. Pag sinabi natin percent, that means over 100. 10 over 100. Lalabas ngayon ay 13 times 13 and then you have the percent. What is 13 squared?
169.
9. Keep the percent sign and then length times width. That is your new area.
Oh.
So this is the same thing as 169% of your original area. So now we want to get the difference. That will be 169% of the original area minus itself. So if it's just itself, that's equivalent to how many percent?
100%.
100%. Right? Gives us now
69%
16 of the original. Kaya ang sagot natin dito si letter C. Gets mo ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.